When you search for the best interlocking garage floor tiles, everything looks the same. Same claims, same colors, but you know there's got to be more than that. To find out what actually works and what's just marketing fluff, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, ProSource Fit Exercise Puzzle Mat. First up is the ProSource Fit Exercise Puzzle Mat. Priced around $139.99, it caught my eye with its impressive 4.6-star rating from over 60,000 reviews. If you want a durable and protective flooring option for your garage or home gym, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're worried about damaging your garage floor or want a comfortable space to work out or play, these mats have you covered. Plus, they're water-resistant and easy to clean, which is a big plus for any messy workout routines. Now, some users did mention that the foam can compress under heavy equipment, causing slight variations in the surface. Here's the thing though, unless you're stacking weights or heavy machinery directly on them, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, cushioned surface for your garage or home gym. Skip this one if you need a more rigid flooring option for heavy machinery. At this price point, you're getting solid value for your money. Now, if the potential compression issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, BMax Gym Mat Set. Next, we have the BMax Gym Mat Set, which is super budget-friendly at just $26.99. With a 4.4-star rating and over 21,000 reviews, this one is a fan favorite. If you're looking for a lightweight, flexible flooring option, this is definitely worth considering. What's great about these mats is that they come in smaller 12.6-inch pieces, making them incredibly versatile. You can easily customize your layout depending on your garage space or workout area. The non-toxic EVA foam is not just durable but also slip-resistant, which means fewer accidents when you're breaking a sweat. Plus, they're easy to clean and maintain. However, some users mentioned that the smaller size of the mats might not provide as much coverage as they hoped. But here's the thing, if you're looking to cover smaller areas or want the flexibility to rearrange your space, that's actually a benefit. This is perfect for you if you're a renter or just starting to build your home gym. Skip this one if you need a large, solid surface since it might require more pieces to cover a bigger area. At this price, it's a steal for anyone looking to protect their flooring. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a little more durability. Product number 3, Hulkove Puzzle Exercise Mat. Coming in at just $22.99 is the Hulkove Puzzle Exercise Mat. With a 4.4-star rating from 780 reviews, it's another solid choice. If you're after a dual-texture design that offers a comfy workout experience, this one could be right up your alley. The high-density EVA foam is durable and water-resistant, so any spills are easy to wipe up. Plus, the interlocking setup is a breeze. You can assemble or rearrange the tiles without needing any tools. That said, a few buyers mentioned that the mats can slip on very smooth surfaces. Here's my take: if you're using it on a garage floor, as long as it's clean and dry, you should be just fine, but it might not be ideal for slick concrete. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, easy-to-install option for a smaller space. Skip this one if you have a very sleek flooring type that could cause slipping. Honestly, for the price, it's a practical choice. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more upscale, wait until you see what's next. Product number 4, THYOI Premium Deck Tiles. Next up are the THYOI Premium Deck Tiles, priced at $44.99. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, these tiles are made from real acacia wood. If you're looking for a more stylish, natural appearance for your garage or patio, this is worth checking out. These interlocking tiles not only look good, but they're also built to last. The waterproof acacia wood means you can use them outdoors without worrying about weather damage. The snap-lock installation is super convenient and can easily be adjusted or removed when needed. Plus, they have excellent drainage capabilities to keep surfaces dry and safe. However, some users noted that they can be a bit more expensive than foam mats. But here's the thing, if you want aesthetics combined with functionality, these tiles are worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, durable flooring solution for your garage or outdoor spaces. Skip this if you're looking for an option strictly for indoor workouts. At this price, you're getting a higher-end product. Now, if you're still craving that heavy-duty workout flooring, let's check out my final pick. Product number 5, AIRHOP Thick Exercise Equipment Mats. Last but not least, we have the AIRHOP Thick Exercise Equipment Mats at $99.99. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 1,500 reviews, these mats are designed for serious workouts. If you need something that can handle heavy weights and intense sessions, this one's a top contender. Each tile measures 24 inches by 24 inches, covering a generous 48 square feet, perfect for larger spaces. Plus, they're easy to assemble and disassemble, so you can adapt your setup as needed. However, some customers found them a bit too thick for certain exercises like yoga. Here's the thing, if you're lifting heavy weights or doing high-impact workouts, that thickness is actually a plus, providing more support. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your fitness and need reliable flooring for heavy equipment. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight for casual use. For the durability and coverage you get, it's a great investment. So to wrap it up, we covered a range of interlocking garage floor tiles from budget-friendly options like the B Max to the stylish THYOI and the heavy-duty AIRHOP. Each has its strengths and drawbacks, so consider what matters most to you. Whether you need flexibility, durability, or aesthetics, there's a perfect option on this list for your garage transformation.